We are at Pater Noster Church, Mantovano. My wife will, I cannot talk about it now. At the 12th century, people believed that that Jesus told the most important thing, a prayer, in Christianity, the Lord's Prayer. And we do have a friend from that knows French, and this is the French French version of it. And can you take a picture of her from the, yeah, Dan. All right, are you ready? But a little bit loud.
Okay. Notre Père qui est aux cieux, que ton nom soit sanctifié, que ton règne vienne, que ta volonté soit faite sur la terre comme au ciel. Donne-nous aujourd'hui notre pain de ce jour. Pardonne-nous nos offenses, comme nous pardonnons aussi à ceux qui nous ont offensés. Et ne nous soumets pas à la tentation, mais délivre-nous du mal. Amen.
Amen. Then, we've been blessed by her. If you will see your version, please stop me and we will do that too.